Expectancy from IBM Cloud. By using IBM Cloud, I've taken the data set. I've imported the data set in IBM Cloud, and then from there I have predicted the age, where I use many various services. So first of all, from the scratch, I will start and show you how I have built my model and what are the steps to need to be followed. Okay, so like we have to visit first IBM Cloud website. So here we have to click, and there will be login page. So like here you will do a login, as I have already done it, so I don't need to do it. Now after logging the page of the IBM Cloud, you will like, it's better to log in from the educational website, from the university's website, so that you can get access to the light mode, and you can like use the services from the IBM. So yeah, when you will get login into the IBM Cloud, you will like see this page, the window as I am showing you, like this. You will getting. So in this, you have to first click to the dashboard. Okay, so in the dashboard you can see there are the various services. There are 5 services that I am using right now: a storage one and one Cloudry apps. Like it's all like all the included 5 it's showing. And from create resource, you can create the resource as well. So first what we will do, we have to make the node red. We have to write a node-RED app. First, we have to started the node-RED application. First, we have to build with roadnet and deploy it. So I'm going to tell you the procedure of this. First, you have to go to here. Now you have to like, node-RED is an application where you can interface, like make the interface from the API to your machine learning model. So it's very compulsory and it's intermediate application. Everyone like mandatory to install this application, as it is very helpful for showing the prediction, for showing your output. It's not like you have run your machine learning model and you're getting accuracy. That's not enough, because the person who wants to give the input and wants to know his age, like in future, how much like average is he's having, that particular guy is having. So here you have to put the node-RED dunks. As you can select, it will automatically come, so don't worry about this. Here node.js. In the cloud you can put anything, Chennai or Seoul, Dallas. That is not like that important thing. And guys, the important thing is like, you will be facing a problem if you are having not using the appropriate account. So for this you have to use the educational account, so that light can be enabled, and then we have to create. As of now, for me it's not coming, but for you it's maybe coming. It must be coming, because I have already created node-RED, and at a one time we can use a one node-RED app. So I have already created. When you do the creation of this, something like this will be coming, and it's showing in my services. So how to watch, like if it's already created, how you can go to it? Yeah. Here are the services. I have clicked on the services. These are my various services. So I'm talking about this node-RED cloud, and see, you can visible right now for these coming like above it, 4 services are coming. Don't worry about this, I will explain you step by step. But for this, we have created this one, and you can see the services. I have opened this. See, it's coming. Okay, so you have to check it with, we have to go to node-RED. Yeah, so here visit app URL is coming. So you have to go to the node-RED app, and we have to click on this. First, below this, you have to do the deployment as well. As you can find various videos for doing such as, because I can't show you right now. that thing because I've already done it. So you can easily find on the YouTube tutorial. I will join like give you the link for the for this for deployment if you're facing any problem, but it's simple. Yeah. So this page will become this Node-RED page will become after clicking on this link, visit app URL. So we have to go to this. We have to click on this, and then this is my fifth time, so it's not asking for my login ID and password. But for you, if you are using it first time, then it may be ask you to create ID and password that you can create easily. So it's not a big deal. You can easily go. So these are the front end things like inject, debug, yeah, this form and pre-token HTTP request. These all the things are there. It may be possible that in light account they are not this tab form tab, because if you search here form, for me it's coming, but initially for me it was not coming. So what I did is I went here and from here manage padlet, I have installed the form like dashboard, like form is come in dashboard. So you have to write here dashboard and you have to install in this. Actually I'm in use, so I can't install it right now because I've already installed it. Yeah. So these all the flows I have created for my machine learning model to connect it with Watson model. Okay, now coming to the Watson one. Now where you have to write your code and where you have to run the all the prediction things of machine learning so that you can get the average life expectancy. So we have to go to the dashboard and here you have to write Watson. Yeah, so Watson H7 Studio, it may be visible to you, I guess. So you have to click on this and you have to go to get started. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I've created many files here. So for me, it's coming. Five files are coming, but for you, you are creating, you are a new one on this IBM Watson Studio, so you have to click as I showed, you have to go to visit to the Watson Studio and now click on the new project. As you are creating the project, so you have to click on the new project. So guys, it's an empty project, so go to and create an empty project. Here you have to put the name, description. So suppose like I'm printing my name Sagar. Okay, Sagar life expectancy, like this you can put. Here it will come automatically. If not coming, you have to select it. This is the cloud storage thing. You have to enable it. You can find the relatable videos. If you are facing like it's not coming for you, you can find, you can take the IBM resources. Like there are many sources are there of IBM where they have posted many guidelines regarding this storage. So you can find there. And then we have to go to create. As I have already created, but I am creating for you all to like get through it. Yeah, now it's loading. It will take some time. Yeah. So guys, when we will click to create a project, like this page will come. Here you have to go to add to project. This thing you have to go to add to project. Now see, I'm like I have done my coding on see my basically coding is in Python and I have used Jupyter Notebook for that. So I have like downloaded a Jupyter file and I want to paste it here. Like I want to put it here so that the code full thing will come here. So you have to go to notebook for writing the code, like your ML code or your Python code something. And if you are starting from scratch, like if you want to write your code here, then you must go to blank option. But for me, as I told you, I want to put my code here from Jupyter. So I'm like taking from file. Okay, from file I'm taking it and I'm dragging or drag files here to upload. As you can see here, you upload a jupyter1.py file. Okay, so this is the default one, don't touch it. This and create your name something like this and click on create like this. button will come. So I don't need to create, I don't want to waste the resources, so I'm not creating right now. Okay. So I will show you how it will be coming now. Yeah, this is my project. So guys, I'm currently working on this one. See, Saga Life Expectancy is showing. You have to click on this, as I have created this already. I was working on it. Yeah. So this is the data files, WHO, health, CSV, and this is the prediction. Okay. So notebook. If suppose you exited the account, then how you have to go to the back to the notebook. So this is the process that I am showing you. You have to click on the assets and then notebooks or data sets. Go to WHO age life prediction, and I have given the name to this file. So guys, you can see if you want to, like, it take time sometimes because many libraries I have attached, so it's loading. If you want to change something here, because this is the final file, I have run it and output was coming in various keys were generated, so it's a complete file. If you want to edit something, if you want to add some models, you have to click on this edit and then you can run it so that you can access the file. You have to edit, but this is the only read only file. If you want to write something, as I told, go to edit button. Yeah. So this is why I made a various thing. As you can see, there's a plot diagrams of my model, various axes. Okay, this is the heat map, you can see. Don't worry about it. I will like attach the code of this, and you can easily find my code on GitHub account as well. And these are the things I will attach these. Yeah. You have to be like clear here. Sometimes the client won't be installing easily, so you have to put a dash v6 thing. You have to add here after the client dash v6 version 6 of the client, because it maybe sometimes it can be a problem for you. Okay. So after running all the things, you will be visible this link. This link is very important to connect this ML model to your Node-RED, which we have installed a few minutes later, few minutes before we have installed it. Yeah. So while coming back to the Node-RED, as I told you, you can go to Node-RED like this also, like clicking on Node-RED. Okay, like this you can easily go from the search task, or you can go from directly from here as well. See, like this, by clicking on Node-RED. You can directly go to visit app URL. So it will redirect you to here. You are going to log in it and it will come here. So yeah, what I have done here, I have attached my classes, various functions, adult mortality, infant deaths. Yeah, these are the things in a sequence from my data set. From my data, let me show you my data set. Here's my data set: life expectancy, adult mortality, infant deaths. So see, adult mortality, infant deaths, alcohol, percent expenditure, hypothesis. These all are the things I've taken around 11 to 12 things, so that I can get a more accurate prediction of fit. You can say fit. Okay. So I'm clicking on done. Then what you have to do, you have to put pre-token. Nothing like you have to create the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J that represent your form labels. Label for adult mortality is A. So here I have posted A. Okay, in a sequence. And here's the API key. API key, what you have, from where you should get your API. For this, you have to create the ML services. you have to enable the ML services, and from there in the credential you can easily get the API key. Oh, okay. I think that won't be that tough to find your API key. If you want to show me that also. So yeah, here you have to go. You have to write machine learning services, ML. You write something machine learning services. But I can get easily like accessible to this, but I'm showing you how to doing from scratch the things. Okay, first we have created the node, right? And we have enabled that resources, and then app cloud resources. Now we are enabling the ML resources. Okay, it's taking time, I think. Network issues there. Wait, why it's not coming? Yeah, now it's coming. If suppose by clicking on this, you have to create new credential. If it's already exists, then it's awesome. If not, you have to click on new credential, and then from here, like I'm taking service credential one, I will take my instance ID, and uh, see instant NZ is later on we will like requiring. You have to take API key for this. This is the API key from here to here. All the thing, this thing you have to copy, and then coming here, you have to paste it here. Okay. Now clicking on done. Similarly, HTTP request. In this, the link will be already given. Don't need to like change something, and check there's a basic authentication option is there. Okay. Now coming to the send point. Here as I told, we have defined the fields that from form and is in a sequence as we have put it in form, and pre-token ABCDE we have written here, and then returning message like we are getting the input from here and we are going to display. Okay, it's like we are connecting uh, this is the API thing that we have created, and this will create the interface. Okay, so this is the like doing the work backend thing. These things are doing backend thing. From here input is coming, and it will like send it, and from this you can see it will like connect our IBM Watson model. And for connecting IBM Watson model, as I told you that last link what we are getting, like see wait Mm, yeah, that this link, last link after successfully running the Watson Studio in a Watson Studio ML code, you will getting this link. You have to copy this and paste it here so that we can get easily accessible to our machine learning code. So that it will be easy to for the flow. Okay, and this is a message payload. This is the HTTP request one. Okay, yeah, same payload. Nothing. No, nothing is important that much. I will share my flow with you so that you can easily like get to understand what I have done here. Actually, I can't explain you many things because many things are here. I'm telling you the basic things and the important things what you need to be in considerations. So yeah, after doing all these things, we have to deploy. Okay, I have deployed my flow. Now coming here, clicking on this. Okay, click on this, we will get this thing. So you have to click on this for visiting your front end model where we have created. So you can see it's showing machine learning model prediction here. Prediction output will come. We have to give inputs to a schooling alert model from our data set. So this is not my home page. Actually, there are two flows, so it's showing two home page. Okay, I will click on this one. Yeah, no, it's coming. Actually, it's saved one. That's why it's showing 55. Okay, let's take a prediction. Yeah, see, I have inputted the values. I've given the values from my data set. Let me compare to show to you. Yeah, see, this is my first row, first row of Afghanistan, I've taken the data set from of Afghanistan life, like expecting life uh, data set. So here the first row, we have taken adult mortality 263, 62 infant and alcohol 0.01. Okay, 263 adult mortality, 62 infant age 0.01 alcohol. Like this, I've taken around 11 to 12 particular columns in a particular one row, and after submitting it, we will get 55.3. If suppose I increase the adult mortality, what should be the output? 268 I've increased it. It's coming 62. Let me increase the infant age 68. I for check 55.41. Let me make it to 70. And right now 55.441 it's showing. Wait, it's not changing. Yeah. Wait for a second. Why it's not coming? Everything's are right here. See, this is the debug option. If anything is wrong with your model, you can see here. But my output is fine, and everything is looks fine here. Yes, guys, you can see here it's coming 55.41875 from our input we have given to this. So like it's working fine and it's showing the output here as well. So yeah, I have completed my accuracy with 96%. See here, it's showing 55 and here it's 59. Okay, so like 96% accuracy I'm getting through this model. So yeah, it's like its approaches to successful model it approaching, because 96 is also okay accuracy, and you can get my codes as well as this flow diagram from my attached GitHub link. Okay, thank you guys.